and welcome to AutoFed. This is your host Abhimanyu and I'm here at Traction Motordrome, a small karting track in Vadodara, Gujarat. Small yet useful, and that's what we are going to test today. That how good is this track and how enough is this track for you to practice on it, to improve your ridings on roads as well as for racing in Indian National Championship or let's say Asia Cup. The motorcycle that I'm going to be riding is a Ninja 300. As you can see, this is not a completely stock motorcycle. It has an Akrapovic exhaust system, although it's just a slip-on and it's not a full system exhaust. Next, we have a few cosmetic changes. As you can see, there are no rear view mirrors and the headlights are gone. Lastly, we have Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2 tires to ride on today. Let's see how these fare. Now, even in its almost stock form, it's still an overpowered motorcycle for this tight and twisty track. So we are going to see today how a Ninja 300 can do on this kart track, and also is this track enough for you to practice different aspects of riding for racing as well as road riding. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite 'em in, welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations. And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they maiden, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating. She look me in the eyes and tell me how much she loving on my confidence, yeah. It really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time, saying I can't get better, I promise they all lying on my confidence. Yeah, that's right. Look, I think it's time you start using your common sense. Everybody watch out, cause the bomb is lit. I got that confidence, that's right. Confidence, yeah, confidence. Hold up, yeah.
So I just came back after 2 or 3 hours of sessions, of course with short breaks, with this Ninja 390, and I can tell you 4 great things, aspects of riding that you can improve on a small track, specifically Traction Motordrome, where we are today. So the very first aspect of riding that you can improve on a small track like Traction Motordrome is focus, or you can also call it vision. Where you look is where you go. So if you're not focused on a small track like Traction Motordrome and you miss line for corner 1, let's say, then you are going to ruin your C2 and C3 as well. So that's what I mean by focus. You have to be very focused, and you have to know that if you are whatever line you are going to take for C1, you have to make sure this line for C2 is also great when you join the line from C1 to C2. The second aspect that you can improve on a small track like Traction Motordrome is precision. Now if you are not precise enough with your throttle, or let's say you miss your apex, then either you are going to go out of the track or you're going to ruin the next corner. So on a small track like Traction, the margin of error is extremely low, and you have to be very precise with every input that you give to the bike, be it throttle or be it brakes or whatever you are, the body positions, how you flick the bike, everything has to be very precise. So the third aspect that you can improve on is agility for sure. So on a small track, you don't have too much time to move around, and you have to be very agile. So let's say if you are into corner 1, you are already into the entry of C2, let's say. So there is barely 400 meters, 300 meters, which you can cover really quickly on a motorcycle. So let me show you how the tire looks after 4 or 5 sessions on a small track. And as you can see that I've used almost all of the tire. So this shows that nobody can make an excuse that you cannot use full potential of the motorcycle. It depends on the rider, how much he can use the potential of the bike as well as the tire. The last point, the last aspect of riding that you can improve on is endurance. As you can see, I'm sweating a lot. So that's what a small track does if you are riding really hot laps. So on a small track, you don't get too much time of rest, I'd say, because you can't tuck in and there are no long straights, so you don't get any rest between the corners. Let's say you are in C1 already, you have to get ready for C2 and then C3 or whatever the layout of the track makes you do. So that's the fourth point. Now for the bad things, well, for the amount of money that I paid to Traction Motordrome for this track day, I don't see any bad things about riding on a small track. There are only good aspects that you can improve on, and there are no disadvantages, I'd say. So my time is up at Traction Motordrome, and I can only say that I am really happy with what I could gain from my sessions at Traction. There are some great onboards upcoming, of course, that I shot on this track, and so I'd recommend that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and like this video. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.
And I'm on a big mission. My whole team got a plate up in the kitchen, yeah. I'm talking everything. I make all the fixings, yeah. They come a long way from where they come up missing. I blame it on